So HandFan, the company, sent me this product to review for you, and I'm glad they did, because this is a serious hand fan. Or you got possibilities to use it as a table fan. And it also has a nice base where it sits up here, and it sits like a table fan. So the power of this fan, you got the charge indicator lights here, and you got very quiet operation. So let's see, it's got 6 speeds, and it's 1, 2, you got an indicator light here. So this is the highest speed, and ooh, yeah, that feels like you're blow drying your hair a little bit here. So that's a lot of power there. Nice size fan. This is if you really need some cooling. So that's kind of quiet operation, especially when you get down to, this is the 2nd speed. So if you like to sleep with the fan going on and you want to be able to sleep, you could put this down near the bed, wherever you are, and have it on you while you sleep. That's why I like to use it for. And not only is it a fan that has lots of power capability, it's also, you could also use this as portable power, because it has Type-C charging, and it has a USB port where you could plug in your electrical devices. So it comes with a nice convenient cable with the Type-C charger. Plug it in there, USB to charge it up. Or if you have a cell phone going down on batteries and you're traveling around and you need portable power, then you got it right here. So that's pretty cool. So it's not only a fan, it's a portable power, which is nice. So here's a nice little base for it. It has little rubberized feet so that don't slip around or make noise, carry on with vibration. And you put it there and you're good to go. You got the mounting thing, you could get air circulation in the ceiling, and it locks with these 2 things so that you could hand hold it. You're at a hot event, usually I go to tennis events and it's super hot, and you put this out of your bag and you're good to go. You have a nice breeze. It's bad to be hot and have no relief and you're kind of stuck somewhere where you need a fan. So super powerful, and I like it, and you should probably like this also. Super cool.